we will work out the practicals in second PUC, that is HTML. Under that we will try one program, that is student study timetable. So here we have to write a code for this or HTML tag for this. Students, here this is the output of the program, or this is what we would like to display in the web browser window or as output here. So we have to create a study timetable. So here these are the days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and subject, timings, morning, evening and night. So now we have to write an HTML code or HTML tags to get output in the web browser window. Now let us start writing HTML code for the same. HTML language is not case sensitive language. Here we can write the HTML tags either in uppercase or in lowercase. And HTML language is a language used for web design application or to develop web pages. So here, and how do we write a program? Here first step is we have to write HTML tag in a text editor, that is normally we use Notepad. Here we have to open an application Notepad, type HTML tag, then we have to save that particular file as filename.html. That is very, very important. So we have to save the file as filename.html. After that, the same file has to be opened in any of the web browser window. That is the procedure to execute HTML documents or HTML file. Now let us write code for this program. HTML program starts with HTML tag. This has head tag. Under this we have title. This here we can write here. Here we can write study timetable. Study timetable. Then we have to close this title tag. Next we have to close head tag. Head. Next we have to start body tag. Body tag. And here immediately after this we will make use of center tag. This is to display study timetable at the center of web browser window. Next we can make use of h1 as a heading tag or head tag. Here I can display student study timetable. Student study timetable. Then we can close this h1 tag. Next is a table. So we start with table tag, and here we can make use of a attribute border. Table border equals, I can give value as 1. I am closing this table tag. We start with table row. Under table row, first line would be the heading. So I will make use of th tag here. This is th tag. Th tag for heading. Heading first row will be a heading for the table. So th. Here I can write here. First one is days. Closing th tag. Next heading th. Subjects. We are closing th tag. We have to continue here. After subject here, then we write one more heading th, that is morning for reading. Morning for reading. Close this th tag here. Next, one more heading th, that is evening for writing. Evening for writing. Close th tag. Then one more heading th, night for reading, night for reading, closing this th tag. So this is row, this is one row, first row. Here we have used this here th is for table heading. So this is, we are closing this tr tag here. So in your, this is a table, this is the table tag which has an attribute border, value is 1. This is table row. In first row we are displaying this data, days, subjects, morning, all this data as a heading. So we have used here th tag here. So th tag, this, now we are closing this row here. So we have closed first row, that is heading row here. So this is first row. Next step is we have to write, we have to enter the data, we have to make use of one more tr command. We start like here tr. This is one more row. Again you can start with here, first is heading. Here first value what you are going to write is days here, isn't it? So here I can write here Monday. Monday, I am closing this th tag. Then after this, rest of the thing I can make use of td tag. Next td. Here first column is, next column is subjects. I can write here subject as language 1 and I am closing this th tag here. Similarly we can enter here as a td. Next one is, next heading is morning for reading, evening for writing, night for reading. Here we are supposed to write the time here, 5 to 6:30 a.m. Now we have to close this td. Next similarly one more value after next, second value for evening for writing, 8 p.m. / td. Again one more data, that is for night for reading, 9:30 to 11 p.m. We have to close this td. Now we have here, we have used here 1 2 3 4 5 as a 5 columns. We have entered the values as values for 5 columns here. So now after this we have to close this tr tag. So in the table we have started here, and this is first row. tr stands for first row and we are using th tag as a heading tag. So here first row in a table, it appears as a heading. Next this is for second row. This second row is the data for Monday. We have filled the data or we have entered the value as language 1, timing like this. So this is your second row in a table. So similarly we can make use of number of days, or we can write timetable for entire week from Monday to Saturday, so that it gives a complete data of student timetable for a week. But here this is second row. Now we will continue like this. One more row, that is for Tuesday, that is tr row. Here is td, this is th, and here we can write Tuesday. This is Tuesday and I am closing this th tag here. Next, second information, second data, th subject. I can write English. We can close th. This is td. Time is 5 to 6:30 a.m. Close td. td. One more value, 6 to 8:30 p.m. Close with /td, and one more value td, that is 9 to 11:30 p.m. close with TD. Now this is second row. Now we are closing T or tag. So this is second row of information. In first row we have entered the data of Monday. So second row is for Tuesday. We have entered the values. So similarly you can write the program or you can write the code for all the 7 days of a week. Now here let me close the program at this stage. Next we have to close the table tag here. So let me close the table here. After this, after table, we have to close the center tag. We are closing center tag here. This is the center tag. Next we have to close body and HTML tag. So here we are closing with body tag as well as HTML tag. So this is a complete HTML code to display student study timetable. So here students, as all of you know, first we have to open an application notepad, then we are writing HTML tags like this, a complete HTML tag. Then after this we have to save this particular file as file name.html. In this example I can give a timetable.html. timetable.html. This is here HTML is important. It indicates as HTML document. So after saving the file, how do you execute the program? Then we have to open a web browser window in your computer. There at the address bar we have to type the address of this particular file. That is one method. If at all, if there are any mistakes in your program or HTML tags, it won't show any errors here, but you may not get a proper output or display in the web browser window. So by looking at the web browser window or by looking at the output, we can again correct those mistakes and errors in our notepad text editor. Thank you very much. Dear students, welcome to online practical classes. Today we will try one of the HTML program, that is student timetable. Now first on the desktop select notepad, and this is the place where you have to type HTML tags or commands. Then you can maximize this. So here we can start typing HTML tags, and you can change the font as per your convenience. Now this HTML program always starts with HTML tag. HTML tag, HTML, and this HTML is not a case sensitive language. You can type commands either in uppercase or in lowercase. Then HTML, it has head tag, then title, close tag, and here I can write student timetable, close with / and title tag. We have to close this head tag. Next starts body tag, and here let me make use of a center tag here. Center tag meaning is that whatever we type between this body tag will appear at the center of this web browser window. So center tag, then H1 for heading. This I can type here student study timetable. Close h1 tag. Next, we will start with table. Table has an attribute border. I can write the value as 1. Now we are closing this table tag. Under this tr tag. Tr stands for table row, and here table row, first one is I can write as a heading th, and here I can write days days, and close this th tag. Similarly, one more heading that is th subject, close th tag. One more th tag. This is the heading, close with / and th. Similarly, you can also make use of copy and paste, Control C, and here Control V, and here Control V, and now I can change the content here. This can be evening for writing, and this one also I can change this. This is th tag. Now we have to close this tr tag here with / tr, close this tag. So this stands for, entire tr tag stands for one row in your table. So table tag here, and border, here is this border equals to 1 is the value, and this is one row in your table. Similarly, this is we have used a th as the heading. Next, we have to fill the table with values. Again, we are making use of tr tag. This is for second row, and again th for heading. This is value, I can write here Monday, close with / th. Next, we start with td. This is table data, and here I can give the value of this. I say, for example, first language or language 1, close td tag. Similarly, I can make use of td again, td, (5 to 6:30 a.m.). This is the value. We are closing this td tag. We can copy this again. Let me change the values here. This is 6 to 8 PM. This one also can be changed. Nine 32 11 PM, and this data has to be closed here. If you look at the heading here, there are 5 values, so there are 5 columns, and here we have to enter value for 5 columns. After this, we have to close this TR tag. So this is the end of second row. Similarly, we can make use of, we can enter value for one more row. So this is, I can make use of copy and paste. I will paste here. So this is another row. Now this is for second day. And here I can write one subject and let the timing be the same. So this is second row. In this one, the first TR stands for heading. Under that, this is first row and this is second row. Now we have written timetable for 2 days, and again you can copy the same thing, and if you paste it, this is for third row, and again here this is Wednesday, and here you can change the subject, and here. So this is, we have written here the HTML code for 3 days timetable, and similarly we can write the timetable for entire week. So let me stop here, let me close the program here. Down here, as we have closed the TR, next here we have to close here the table tag. So this has to be closed first. So we are closing table tag with / table. Next, immediately after this, we have used here center tag. This has to be closed. So here close center tag with / then we have to close body tag, then HTML tag. So this is a program statement. This is HTML tags for student timetable. So after typing a program in Notepad, we have to save the file option, select file save as, and here you can give the file name as timetable student timetable, and here .html, it is important. So then we have to click on save. Then you can minimize this application. Now whatever the file you have saved .html, that can be viewed, that can be seen on the desktop. So here is the file. Now if you double click on that, it display the output. See, this is student study timetable, and here you can see the output here. Days, the first line is heading where we have used th tag here. Then we have used Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Even for this we have used th tag. Here one more here, student timetable. This is, again, we are not supposed to get this, though here there might be a mistake in the program. So again, how do we correct it? Open this application, notepad application. Now we have to look at the spelling here. So what is the mistake here is, here T-I-T-L-E, title spelling is T-I-T-L-E. So let me correct it, T-I-T-L-E, title. Now here spelling is right. Again, file, save it. Now you can minimize this application. Again, just you can refresh it. See, now the whatever we had got it last time, it is not there. So now we have corrected the mistake in the program. Now this is the time, this is an output of the program, student study timetable. Next, after this, you can close this application. So this is the first program in HTML, that is student timetable. Thank you very much.